Hello friends, I am coming up with Papu, Mummy or Papa. So this is the magic short trick number 4, and I'll be coming up with the formula, few examples and the assignment. Do it yourself. So you'll find that the trick being very interesting and easy, and you will be able to pick up very nicely, and the questions will become very easy, a child's play. बच्चों का खेल है, पप्पू भी है, मम्मी भी है और पापा भी है. आंसर आ जाता है पप्पू पापा. So you'll find this is, I have picturized also along with the notes. Thank you very much. I am coming with notes. Hello friends. I am coming up with magic short trick of integration Chalisa. This is check number. This is short trick number 4. Here is the formula. Integration of x, f dash x plus fx dx is equal to x fx plus c. Treat x as Papu, f dash x mummy, fx as papa. The answer comes x fx, Papu papa. So let us go with the Chalisa style. जब जब पप्पू मम्मी और पापा इंटीग्रेशन में जावा, तब तब पप्पू पापा बनकर बाहर आवा. So we'll go ahead with this, and you'll find that there are few examples I have given. This is x, this is secant square, and this is tangent x. What is the derivative of tangent x? It is secant square x. So this is Papu, Mummy and Papa. Answer will come Papu, Papa, x, tan x. No, let us go to the second one. This is Papu, this is Mummy, and this is Papa. What is the derivative of sin x? It is cos x. So answer will come x sin x. Next, x, integration of x cosecant square x plus cot x. This is of minus sign. So what is the derivative of cot x? It is minus cosecant square. So this is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer is Papu, Papa. Now, this is x into 1 over x plus log x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. So this is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer is Papu, Papa. X log x. It should be x log x. It should be x log x. Log x. Now, next, there are few questions given for you. Do it yourself. This is x e raised to x plus e raised to x dx. What is the derivative of e raised to x? It is e raised to x. This is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer will come x e raised to x. Now next is x secant x tan x plus secant x. What is the derivative of secant x? It is secant x tan x. So this is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer will come Papu, Papa. So same way you will find that x into minus 1 over x square plus 1 over x. What is the derivative of 1 over x? It is minus 1 over x square. So this is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer will come x into 1 over x, that is 1. Now let us go to the next. X into 1 over under root 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? It is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So answer will come Papu x and Papa is sine inverse x. Same way, What is the derivative of tangent inverse x in this case? It is 1 over 1 plus x square. This is Papu, this is Papa. Answer will come x into tan inverse x. Next, x into 2 into e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power 2x. What is derivative of e raised to power 2x? It is e raised to power 2x into 2. So this is the derivative. So this is Papu, this is Mummy, this is Papa. Answer will come Papu, Papa. Look here, so many questions I have done in minutes, and this is a very easy trick to remember, and I hope you will be able to remember this and you will come out with flying colors in your exam. Thank you very much. Bye.